From meat trays to mac and cheese cups, single-use plastics are all over the grocery store. One Gilbert-based company wants to eliminate all of them and replace them with a biodegradable and compostable solution. Even though the goal is lofty, experts say it's not out of the picture.
We had the vision that the whole world was going to demand alternatives to plastic.
So Troy Swope and his business partners got to work creating the Gilbert-based company Footprint with one goal.
We are going to eliminate single-use plastic.
To do that, Swope and his team are making biodegradable and compostable food packaging products for customers like Walmart and Costco. Bales of corrugated paper, you might know it better as cardboard, are the first step of the process. And after going through 338-degree heat in the machines behind me, a finished bowl like this one is ready for distribution. The products are made from a slurry that's blended up in different stages. Inside the slurry, different coatings are added to create barriers against moisture, oxygen, and oil. The company started in Arizona in 2012, but just this year began producing paper straws. They're working to find the perfect paper and adhesive combination to make a long-lasting straw.
The most difficult part is the customers want biodegradability and compostability, yet they still want the product to behave like plastic.
The science is important, but so is the company's environmental impact. They say CO2 emissions are reduced 40 to 60% depending on the type of plastic they're trying to replace. And energy use drops by up to 50%.
You start looking at plastic's true cost, like the cost to haul it away and store it for 100 and something years to, then we're way lower cost than the plastic.
Mick Dalrymple manages sustainability initiatives for Arizona State University. He recently toured the company and says they have a big goal, but it's not impossible.
I think Footprint's biggest challenge is actually with trying to decide which sectors to go after first. I don't think that their product is necessarily going to get rid of every single-use plastic, but it's pretty versatile from what I saw.
He says the company has the potential to make a worldwide impact.
It's a matter of how fast can they scale up, how can they fend off any competitors, and then also things like how can they avoid manufacturers that want to make exclusives with them.
In just 6 years, Footprint has invented more than 400 items. At least 36 of those items, like mushroom containers for produce, now have a patent.
We want you to walk into a grocery store today and you see all the plastic, and in 5 years you're going to walk into that grocery store and go, we changed this whole store. The bakery, the meat trays, the yogurt containers, right? The coffee lid on the way out, we're going to transform that grocery store, and it's going to happen fast.
Troy Swope told us the company does have competitors like Be Green in South Carolina, but most of these companies focus on simple solutions like takeout containers. Footprint is focused on more advanced technologies like frozen food containers or meat trays. The company plans to ramp up production in the U.S. and expand into Mexico and Europe over the next few years.